For many years, ARES Machinery Company has been meticulously researching, developing, and manufacturing machine tools, putting out the latest in CNC production centers. With greater stability, speed, and precision, our machines are ready to take your large-scale production needs to the next level. You can immediately see from the entire design concept, appreciation to operation, human interface, and software design. We insist on only the most aesthetically pleasing of products. The brand new A-Series machine structure is computer analyzed for rigidity, ensuring optimal cutting and positioning performance. We achieve the highest rigidity and precision by incorporating C3 high precision ball screws and heavy-duty linear guideways. 3-axis rapid transverse can reach up to 48 meters per minute. Z-axis transverse on the BT30 model reaches 60 meters per minute. This ensures optimal speed, load, rigidity, and precision during cutting operations. Exceptionally fast cutting tool changing system effectively reduces response time. The BT30 needs only 1.6 seconds tool-to-tool change, while the BT40 requires only 2 seconds changing cutting tools. The extraordinary characteristics and highly competitive prices mean that the most profitable choice to increase the productivity of your machine. Ergonomic design concept ensures safe, easy, and efficient operation, maximizing economical, high-capacity production. High speed and an ultra-rigid direct drive spindle increase workability. Whether the workpieces be milled or drilled, outstanding precision results are achieved on all curved surfaces. ARES Machinery Company is committed to researching, designing, and supplying the R&D and supply of optimally designed machine tools with excellent service. The A-Series is your best choice for the latest, fastest, and most efficient line of machining centers possible.
R-Series, a new generation CNC drilling and tapping center. The machine is with superior rigidity casting base, analyzing structure from precisely computerized, providing machinery best steadiness under high-speed displacement and precise cutting situations. Turret-type magazine, which is with grinding gear wheel and Japan-made reduction gear motor transmission, equipped with high-speed mechanical tool change system, and able to store 12 to 14 tools and random access selection to save time. Enclosed splash guard, unity, artistic, and smaller area seized, fitting with mass and multi-processes components production line plan. Airtight heat source, separate electronic cabinet, is able to cut off the heat source and oil sludge. Besides, the most electronic components are used with well-known Germany and Japan brands, promoting steadiness in machines and usage life. Automatic chip flush system equipped with screw conveyor is able to eliminate chips effectively and clean them up conveniently. R4530 rapid speed for 3 axis is 48, 48, and 60 meters per minute. R560 rapid speed for 3 axis is 48, 48, and 40 meters per minute. R5140, R600 rapid speed for 3 axis is 36, 36, and 36 meters per minute. BT30 standard spindle speed is 8,000 and 10,000 RPM, and the option can reach to 30,000 RPM. BT40 standard spindle speed is 8,000 RPM, and the option can reach to 15,000 RPM. Coolant through spindle. Coolant flow is fed by a high-pressure pump through the spindle and out the tip of the cutting tool, immediately reducing any heat at the cut point. This substantially increases the cutting efficiency while extending tool life. This system reduces thermal deformation and provides stable accuracy. The machine is equipped with the latest Mitsubishi HF Series servo motor, featuring high response speed and horsepower output. Optional low inertia spindle motor, top tapping speed of 4,000 RPM, full acceleration in 0.3 seconds, major reduction in tapping time,